Hey guys, welcome to Fun Cooking. So today we're not cooking because I've been tagged. Yeah, me. I've been tagged. Let me back up and tell you about this. Last week, Heather over at the Needy Homesteader had a visitor, which was Angie from Angie's Pantry. They were having a discussion on canning, on whether or not you should put vinegar in your water bath or your pressure canner to keep your jars from becoming cloudy. It keeps them from becoming cloudy, but it will eat off the finish of your rings and cause them to deteriorate faster. So they're trying to weigh the options. At the end of their discussion, they left the question open to their audience on whether or not they use vinegar when they can. So shortly later, Mandy over at More to Life, she gave her response in a video and tagged Paul over at Paul's Rule of Thumb, who in turn gave his reasons for doing what he does, and he tagged Lisa over at Sutton's Days. So Lisa went through and gave her explanation on why she did things the way she did, or does, but she didn't tag anybody, which I happened to point this out in a comment. So not only Lisa, but Mandy chimed in into the comments, tagging me. Yeah. So I've been tagged on whether or not I use vinegar when I pressure can or water bath can. So to date, this is the only thing I've canned. And honestly, I can't remember if I added vinegar to the water or not. I know I didn't film adding it because I just checked. But my jars aren't cloudy, so that makes me believe I did add it. And as you can see, my pressure canner's still in the box. Haven't used it. Taking it out, it's pretty. Put it back in the box because I was moving. Got here, was gonna, all ready to pressure can. It wouldn't fit under my faucet. Well, that's been fixed. I've got a new faucet, so now I can wash it, so there's no reason for me not to can. So you can expect canning videos within the near future. So, but what are my thoughts? See, the whole discussion is it worth damaging your rings and having to replace them sooner than normal to have your jars clear? But you've got to wash your jars anyways. I don't know. I honestly have no opinion on this. But in upcoming videos, a canning session using vinegar and a canning session not using vinegar. Then I will let you know what I think. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you check out the other channels that I mentioned. I'll leave links in the description box so you can go see their arguments. And I'll see you next time.